Hey gamers, it's me Roblox here. So if it took me for a while to do a speech, but yeah, but today we're making the game. And as you can see that we got models for the and when I'm done completing this whole game, I'll make a whole playthrough for the whole game. So we got Wednesday, Steve, Nessa, Fluffy. Just time to name this one. This is Bucky. This is Cookie. How do I give it to work? How do I get this part to work? I just take hyphen a reason. But it's not really a tycoon. It's just killing your rabbits game. And BC move script. I think I want a cookie. Wednesday. I got Steve the Pod. I got cookie. Wait, I think I've already done cookie. So Fluffy has. Fluffy has one. This has one. Cookie has one. Bucky doesn't have one. Steve. Yep. Wednesday. Yep. Bruh. This thing takes so long to lit. Now this better just be a solo game for me to create. Maybe either. Wait. How about we just anchor these? Yeah, just they would know how to make these things move. Uh, uh, why does it say current subscriber? I mean, current viewer. Hi, what? Hi, yep. Who are you? Oh no, they're gone. Okay. But my friend then. Okay, cause the cookie has one. Take it, Pokemon. One. Let's see one what this one is. IDs. I'll just make sure that they don't have have the script on my fan page again. Cause I know Fluffy doesn't have one. How come I don't tested the game out yet? What? So it looks like we wouldn't move. Or just uh, what is this game basically? Simulator.
And my game is done. Time to publish. Well, I think that's enough Roblox Studio for today. Okay, let's see how many visits the game has. None? I guess I could wait a bit longer.
Making a Roblox game in one line of code. Let's go! I decided to make this a disaster survival kind of game, so I added some disasters into the workspace. And yes, I do know that they contain scripts, but I didn't write them, so it's okay. Now, all we have to do is write the one-liner. And... oh my god. Alright, let's try that again. And... now we have 2 working disasters that we can survive from.
How to code a game in 30 seconds. Local, part, spawner, equals, instance.new.
Want to learn how to...
Dad, there's someone strange.
Don't you
What is Onshape? It's everything you need to deliver your next big idea.
By the end of the series, you'll know how to create a modern simulator in Roblox. I've already created a series on this topic before, how to create a simulator in Roblox Studio, which has spanned over 30 episodes. Through that series, I took an immense amount of feedback and criticism on how I can improve my videos for teaching you guys, as well as improving my own code while working on countless other projects during the same time. So my anticipation is to make this series one of the best on YouTube on how to actually begin developing your own game on Roblox, and hopefully by the end of the series, you guys can let me know how I did. In this series, we'll be creating our own version of the Clicker Simulator by Pressure Studios. On screen right now is a sort of course overview where you can see all the different topics that we'll be covering in this series. While going through the series, we'll most likely add even more topics to this as well, and I'll certainly be looking at the comments to get feedback from you guys to see what you also want me to add to this as well. Now, I'd also like to highlight our Discord. We have a community Discord where a lot of people just like yourself who are watching all of my other tutorials come in and ask questions. So if you're having an issue while watching a video, join the Discord, and most likely there will be somebody who has the exact same issue as you that already posted this in the Discord so you can easily get help. And one last thing, I have a Patreon. If you guys would like to support me and gain access to all the script and the game file and models and other things like that that I make during my videos, there's a link down below in the description and you guys can go and check that out. With all that being said, let's hop directly into Studio. Now inside of my studio, you guys can see inside of my workspace, I already have a little map. Keep in mind, if you want access to the map, you can get it from the Patreon, but otherwise, this map doesn't actually matter. It's all just for aesthetics and visuals, and it's not going to have any effect on our scripting or anything like that. With that being said, what we're going to do for the first episode is start scripting out our player data. Now, in my previous series, the way that I did player data was horrible. So with this brand new series, I'm really happy to start introducing you guys to the best and easiest way that you can actually manage your own player's data. It's super, super simple. What we're going to be using to manage our player data is actually called a module or a library, and the specific one that we're going to be using is the profile service module. If you'd like to access this, there's a link down below in the description to this page, which you guys can go to. What you're going to want to do, though, is you're going to want to get the library model by going onto the Roblox website right here and clicking the Get button. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to access it from your toolbox, maybe in your recent models or other things like that. Then just go ahead and click on that, and it should add it directly into your workspace. To keep everything organized, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the server script service and add a brand new folder, and we're going to rename this to player data. Additionally, we're going to create another folder inside of the server script service, and we're going to rename this to libs, L-I-B-S. Libs is short for libraries. In a lot of other coding languages, when you're basically using somebody else's code to do something for you, that's usually referred to as a library. In Lua or the Roblox community, we commonly refer to libraries as modules or other names like that. Personally, I call them libraries, so that's why I make a folder either in my server script service or replicated storage called libs, so that I know this is where all the things that I didn't create myself, and this is where all the libraries exist in my game. So we're going to put the profile service inside of that folder, and now we're done with that module. We're never actually going to touch that module. What we're then going to do is actually start setting up our player data. The first thing we need to do is we actually need to insert a module script inside of the player data folder, and we're actually going to rename this to template. Then we could also rename the variable as well from module to template, just like that. Now, what template's actually going to be set to, it's going to be set to a table with all of the data that each player should have.
Yeah, that'll take forever. I'm not gonna get past all this. Depends how much I have for views. probably going off topic. So what I want to do is I want an outdoor. Where the rabbits are going in. And below like a little border. Or you thought I was making the border? No, I'm lazy. Derby Derby, why the red's gotta be this, it's gotta be this big. I just decide how big I want it to be. We should have probably add a roof to this. So it's where the rabbits are gonna be able to be. I just yoink. Oh yeah, also by the way, this is based on my real life stuff. So all this. That's why I do it every Saturday. It's just literally in the description. If it looks like I have to remod the whole thing, then that's gonna be a little bit hard. But I think I got it. The reason why I got Cookie, and Cookie's actually not one of my rabbits, because both the original name for Cookie's actually Whiskey. Yes, as I believe that I'm not allowed to do that on Roblox. So that's why it's called Cookie, so I don't get, I mean she, because it's a woman. So bro, I kind of remember what this whole thing looked like. I've had literally basically do it every night. Whereas this game blows up, I'm a beatbox press whatever. So 2 rabbits with here. This much. I'm not gonna make it exactly like mine. So yeah, this is literally based off something from my house. So usually a bookie will go in here. The well, cookie slash whiskey will go in here. Boom, wooden hutch. Instead of giving her like the abilities to walk, I'll just place them randomly. Now God says it's not it. Even though girls has one and the boy. If you wonder what all that sound is in my room, that's actually a bookie. Yeah. Yeah, literally bookie. Don't know what hell's going on. And I'll be back, right back. Give me a moment. I'm back. Okay, so we're about just like blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I was finishing this off. I'll try to make a pickup UI for. Okay, I don't know how to browse through.
Little bugster. Got a treat for you. I've got a little treat for you.
Oh well, what the frick is that? Oh. Okay, am I even able to game in here? But it worked, I guess. So this is still looking like I wanted it to be like. So before I did this, I planned everything out, but I did actually have to make it. So I got that done. But we got really nothing to mop, don't we? How about because it's when you go over something, just like bright poop. Poop. Boop. Wait, bright poop is from a literal YouTube, and this is what I'm making. Yeah, so I'm just gonna discuss here. Okay, so I'm okay. So when you get the mop out, um, it'll run, it'll just, it'll just disappear, or just get rid of all the poop. To spread the poop around. Okay, that's hay. See, I'm just making the hay now. Like all these kind of look like French fries for no absolute reason. I hope these are not French fries though. Now if you're asking me why I had to go down, because I heard stuff. Of course, no one's joined yet. Except from one person, but they went. Yo. Yo, bro, can I show this? So here's your, like I'm just test play it. So what you first will go there.
That's a very, very luxurious rabbit hole.
So everybody want to go grab this map first. I there's Billy coding in this. Yep. That's the rabbit's home. A dumb stamina. Okay, can I get rid of this real quick?
You put actual poo in it.
Yep.
That's massive poo though. It's like each one's crapped out an Easter egg.
So look, we got Cookie. I got that. But can I show you some stuff? We got Bucky.
Spelled wrong, but yeah, okay.
We got Cookie. And we got Fluffy. Then we got Nessa.
Vanessa.
And we got Steve.
Yeah.
Then we got Wednesday. And then we got the thumbnail.
Clean your rabbits. You made a full game about it. Wow.
Yeah. An actual full game about it. I went for the god type of colours to make it. I put a timer on, so you only have 3 hours. Like, you only have like a whole hour just to do all this. Like time script. Nope, so yeah. I don't know why I'm making this whole game. I guess I could make a figure. I got scared poop everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna add one more pile for no dumb reason. There you go, poop.
Pump it up, kitty. Just pump it up, kitty cat. Where you at? There you go.
This.
Put 2 paws on the floor, 2 in the air, and then just go. Kitty go, kitty go, kitty go. And just ride, kitty ride, kitty ride, kitty roll.
Do you have a pile of poop? I'm going to show you the description. Okay, so hi. Hi, in this game, you have to clean your rabbits out every Saturday. Eat to interact with rabbits and items and objects. Well, that's fake. Shift to run. If you get... Bruh. If you get 2... Bruh. No. Bro, okay, I'll at least tell you what it says. If you get too close to a rabbit, they'll run. So press C to be their size. If I could make a whole trailer on this. Should I make a trailer? Yes. After this, I'm gonna make a trailer. Then I can't, but we don't want to work. Oh my god, the bogus car. Okay, we're gonna add this one. The Jeep. So now you can actually drive it. Because well, that's just part of decoration. So that's you have to go have a sleeping mechanic. So we're gonna grab the spawn and make it the side of the bed. So yeah, it's also just you in the one game. Working bed. Oh, it's exactly just like this one. So what I do, I'm gonna shove it in. So what I do, I just collide them. So so it's like a little bit better. Well, does this bed actually work? Bob, this terrorist fake, I'm guessing. But the biggest fake as well. That's not the actual time. Uh, uh, I don't know what color is it. The night script. But we need to test if the bed actually worked. But a little bit. It's like go walk on something. I think it's better if I just get rid of this one. That one that's causing the screen. I just got rid of something that's well, I just got rid of something really important. Clock system. Star UUI. I can't reveal that you don't have a head view. So if I reveal that I don't actually have a head, I had to get rid of it because it will get in the way of the first person. Oh damn, we've actually got good camera shakes. Are you okay, Rabbit? Yep. Okay, we'll just do this one.
Do you want to launch your own Minecraft server for you and your friends? At Shockbite.com, for as little as $2.50 a month, you
Damn.
Hello guys, today this by the right from here and now and now you anchor it to this part. You click a part, it's right here up here, you can do it how many times you want. And now you anchor it. You can do it from here, from the properties, here where it says part, anchor, or from
Anchor guessing. To anchor you. You. Don't know why I made realistic poop. It's just part of the game. Back to them.
Now you make a wall or something. I'm gonna make a wall like this. And like now, this is going to work by clicking a button. So you put it like this. You can make in the right.
Stay on touch, yep.
Hello, what is up guys? Today's video is
So like the short vids.
how to make a part that deletes when you touch it. Like this. So when I touch this part right here, it should disappear or delete. As you can see, it's gone and it's being deleted out the second I touched it. So that's what I'll be showing you how to make today. To make it's pretty simple. It's just any part or anything. Well, it's easy if it's just a part with a script, with a very simple script. So let's rid of this. So add a part, add a script. Here's the script. It's really simple. You can just pause the video here.
Damn. Poop one gets a script. Yes, which just speeds stuff up. Paste into. Says that's real. I think I got rid of the clock. Nope. I gotta make so it when you delete or when you touch, it deletes. Well, I'll see you all in the next stream.